Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Arfan Hibri Putrana, and today I want to make a demo video about robotic competition in IDN. So, the robotic competition is about sumo robot. Uh, Before we continue to the competition, maybe I will explain the technical instruction of the robotic competition in IDN. So the technical instruction is the first is every individual must to obey and carry out all forms of regulation, provisions, and policies made by the IDN Robotic Competition 2024 commit. And then the second is each team or participants is required to register according to the provision of the IDN Robotic Competition 2024 in the IDN commit. And the third is each individual is mandatory to maintain integrity by being honest, to speaking rudely, and not doing everything that triggers noise both before, moments, and after the match is over. Any violation will be subject to applicable sanction. You will get sanction. And then the fourth is each robot and or robot equipment is the responsibility and prepared by IDN Robotic Competition 2024 commit. And then all form of damage both in the robot and robot equipment are the responsibility of the 2024 IDN Robotic Competition participants who wear it. Okay, the five is each individual wear clothes with free, polite, and tidy conditions, and uses the ID card provided by the commit as a valid identity during the events. After I explain the technical instructions, maybe next I will explain the specification of the robot while during the competition. So the first is the robot use is a controlled robot using a remote control. Robots are not allowed to use autonomous or semi-autonomous systems. So we must control the robot with the control or remote control, like in the PlayStation stick. Second is the robot used during the match must have a maximum dimension of 15 centimeters times 15 centimeters, with the height of the robot is not limited, and the maximum weight of the robot is 1 kilogram, including the battery. The dimension of and weight of the robot do not gain any tolerance. The third is the maximum battery voltage is used 12.6 volt. The battery is voltage source must be derived from the dry cool battery or lead acid. And then the fourth is robots must be labeled names with the names of each team. So the robot must be named by our class like the XC or XB on the front of the robot, or at least any marker label visible to the referee to make it easier for the referee to determine the game champion. Five is the robot should be not have any device that can damage the match arena and reverse the opponent's robot by throwing. So the robot is not include the gun like can broke or damage the area, and then cannot throw the others enemy robot by gun. Seven is robots should not have a system attached themselves to the arena and add down force such as vacuum, suction soap, diaphragm, magnet, and so on. This is the material that not allowed in the sumo robot competition in IDN 2024. Okay, maybe already a long time, so I will show you the video of the robotic competition in IDN. This is the video when my class with acting.
Baik, baik. Lanjut, 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 lanjut.
So this is the example. Now this is my class, and then this other class. And then if the robot is already outside the arena, we will lose. That, like that. This the match is very epic and then very good. Uh, as you can see, the match is very good and then very dangerous if your finger touch the robot. And then once again, the important of while you during the competition by sumo robots in everywhere. So when you already during the competition already you control the robots, you cannot touch the robot. If you touch the robot while during the competition, you will lose or disqualified. It's very important for you and me. Okay, so guys, maybe that's all from me. Sorry if there is some mistakes, and then thank you for your attention. And last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next time. Yeah, see you next time.